Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be teaching you how to enable labels on your Gmail account. So what are labels? Right here on the left of your Gmail, where you find all of your mail, these are labels. So inbox, starred, important, sent mail, drafts. So the first thing I want you to do, of course, is sign in. After you have done that, you're going to want to go to what I like to call the waffle. This little 9 square thing from the top right. And then you're going to want to go to Gmail. I'm already here, so I'm not going to press it. And then it's going to bring you up to here. You're going to want to go to top right, where it says settings. I'm going to go to settings. And you're going to go all the way down to settings. So you're going to do settings. And then it will bring you to this page. This is all the general settings of your Gmail account. If you want to look for this or any of these other ones, you can. The only thing we're going to be looking at today are labels. Right here in this second choice. After this, these are all of your labels. You can either show, hide them, however you'd like. Me preferably, I like to show my starred and importance, and then the sent mail just to see what I sent. I am actually going to hide my drafts because I like hiding my drafts just so people don't know what I've been up to. You can always create new labels as well. Title it whatever you want, and that is about it. And that is how you enable and disable labels in your Gmail account. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.